Welcome to today's home design journey. Here's a quick thought to spark your creativity. Did you know that combining natural textures with modern materials can make an L-shaped house feel both stylish and welcoming? That's right. There's no need to choose between rustic charm and contemporary flair when you can blend them into a budget-friendly dream home. By the end of this video, you'll discover how concrete, brick, and natural elements can come together to transform your space into a relaxing oasis with a small garden centerpiece. Now let's dive straight into the world of L-shaped house designs. One of the greatest benefits of this layout is its ability to create private zones within a home. If you have ever felt overwhelmed by open concept spaces, an L-shaped floor plan can be a game changer. By forming two perpendicular wings, it gives you the chance to separate living, dining, and resting areas in a way that flows naturally. Yet it still keeps each section connected, making the overall space feel unified. This method of dividing areas is perfect for those who love entertaining, but also want cozy corners for quiet evenings. When thinking about the materials, consider how they can boost both style and function. Concrete is often associated with modern or industrial aesthetics, and for good reason. It's durable, versatile, and can be surprisingly warm with the right design approach. A polished concrete finish on floors or even countertops provides a streamlined look that's easy to maintain. Next, we have brick, which instantly evokes a sense of nostalgia and warmth. By incorporating exposed brick walls or brick accents, you bring in texture and a dash of character without blowing your budget. The best part is that these materials also work beautifully across seasons. For instance, in cooler months, exposed brick can be paired with plush textiles like chunky knit blankets, while in warmer seasons, sleek concrete floors can keep interior temperatures comfortable. And don't forget touches of greenery. Whether it's a statement plant in the entryway or a cluster of smaller potted herbs in the kitchen, a splash of nature breathes life into a neutral backdrop and keeps things feeling fresh year-round. Speaking of greenery, an L-shaped design lends itself remarkably well to creating a small garden area, even if you're working with a modest plot of land. This space could be your family's personal oasis, where you grow herbs for cooking, cultivate some flowers for color, or simply set up a lounge chair to unwind. With the building wings forming a protective boundary, the garden often feels private and serene, shielded from street noise or wind. It's an ideal setup for those who want a quick breath of fresh air between daily tasks or an intimate backdrop for morning coffee. Now let's talk budget-friendly furnishings. The look of your home doesn't need to rely solely on big-ticket items. Instead, seek out timeless pieces that can adapt to seasonal trends. For the living area, consider a neutral-colored sofa in a durable fabric that withstands wear and tear. Decorative pillows and throws can then rotate with seasonal palettes. Think burnt oranges and deep reds in the fall, or subtle greens and pastel tones in the spring. In the dining space, simple wooden furniture complements the natural vibe inspired by brick and concrete, all while staying wallet-friendly.